Quick, paddle! There's a ferry coming in, loads of wash.
Come to the sun with me, so I can show you something you've never seen. And both you and I shouldn't be too shy.
So Matt, what are we doing? We are sat watching the sunset over the Gulf of Volos. Ta-da! From Melina.
From Melina. We have an old boat wreck here. And we have a camera on a tripod. Just there. Doing a time lapse over this old wooden boat. And we are time lapsing that. We really had a good time in Volos. The Gulf of Volos has so many destinations within such a short space. It's easy to see why it's such a popular destination with cruising boats and charter boats alike. But we have to be going. We need to be in Skiathos. Wind in the forecast is due to be about 10 knots. We're expecting gusts up to 20, and we know that the gap between the Gulf of Volos and Skiathos is a wind acceleration zone. So we're expecting quite a sporty sail, and we weren't disappointed, to be honest. Watch a video.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way.
And we had a great sail from Melina to Skiathos. Plenty of gust to keep us busy. We hand steered, and that was on the main sheet. We loved it. The airport on the island of Skiathos is very close to the main town, but the town quay itself was absolutely full. So we went to anchor to the south in this large bay, and we took advantage of a little bit of downtime to get some maintenance done. These are jobs that we would normally have done during the winter, but it was so cold it just wasn't possible. So we're playing catch up. Nelson, you got to move. I want to blow up the paddleboard. Nelson, you got to move, mate. I got to blow up the paddleboard. I'm blowing out the paddleboard. You got to move. You got to move, mate. Paddleboard time. What's happening here?
Load up the paddleboard so I can wash the hull.
Cool. Nelson's ready. Poised for action under his tent. Nice and cool under there, mate. Bit of varnishing to be done. No, I didn't think so. Nelson's not keen on varnishing.
No?
No.
No, why? That's why I'm doing paddleboarding.
I guess you two are off to the beach for a good time then, while I carry on sanding and varnishing.
Go. Sit. 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 Lay down.
We watched all them together until we couldn't go to sleep.
Oh, just as a very kids here.
Quick, paddle! There's a ferry coming in, loads of wash. Oh, and it's the big one too, the Hellenic. Good bit of surf on the beach in a minute.
Remember sunsets in Boston, kissing yellow concrete. We watched all of them together until we couldn't go to sleep. Wish it lasted.
And then later that evening, things changed. So a massive gust come through and this yacht has broke free of his anchor. The guy's not on board. So I climbed onto this drifting boat and just started paying out chain as fast as I could by hand. The windlass was turned off and the doors were locked. So if it didn't stop drifting after what I've done, there's no more I can do. 20 minutes later and I'm joined by the owner of the boat. And between us, we managed to stop it going onto the rocks.
The rest of the anchor chain down. Okay. Now I have to go back to blown away. Chain does nothing in the locker. Nothing at all.
And you can see how fast and how far this yacht dragged. It was adjacent to us. And now it's time for me to get back to Blown Away. The wind is picking up and Nat is already paying out more anchor chain.
I was so lucky, that boat's so close to those rocks. It came hard and fast. There's more up there. A horrible looking sky. I got to him, he'd never have rowed them. He would never have rowed to that boat, not in a million years. How much chain do we have down now?
We've got 16.
Yeah. That guy was super lucky.
You want to pass the yellow line up as well?
Baby, yeah. Literally just playing out by hand.
Okay.
Because nothing was working, switched off.
Yeah.
Same story, can't get in the boat
Got
because
it.
it's locked.
Yeah.
Can't play out chain because the power's turned off.
Well, that's it for this week. Thank you very much for watching. Join us again next week when we have a surprise visit from Captain Jack. You heard it here first. Andy, Melissa and young Jack are joining us for a week of sailing to give them a break from repairing an old boat. Cool, like you was getting a dinosaur off your mum. And once again this week a big shout out to our Ko-fi supporters, that is Captain Svetlana. You can check out their YouTube channel, I'll put the link in the description down below. And also to David L, who has joined us as a Chief Officer. Thank you very much for your continued support in the making of these videos.
And last but not least, a big thank you to our Patreon captains, Matthew Clark and Michael Barris.
It's not everywhere, is it? You've got a tiny little bit on your finger. Bit of ketchup.
Everywhere.
It's just a bit of claret, darling. It's just a bit of claret. It's nothing. It's nothing. Suck it up, princess.